look how thin it is. Like, it's one of the thinnest phones I actually seen on the conference. But it's mainly because like all the stuff, all the accessories actually come modular. So for example, if you want to have a speaker, you know, if you want a speaker, you just attach it. Like that. Like, and boom. If you want maybe a microphone, proper microphone right here. If you want a speaker and a microphone, will it work? Other way around, it will work. So you can actually attach multiple devices of those. If you need some more power, look what they can do. Battery. Another battery. 1, 2, 3. Another battery. It's like, look at this. Like, how many batteries can you actually have, you know? And each. So look, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. So it's like 12,000 milliampere hours right now. That's amazing. There's also an antenna and like a Bluetooth one extender that looks very decent. So look, action camera. So now you have an action camera here, but that's not the end. From what I saw, what you can do, you can grab this and attach it to the front, and actually it will work as well. Like, how cool is that? But they're actually making the whole thing modular, so they actually introduced the Tecno modular set. But that's not the end. You also have the bad boy. And look, you have your normal one, right? But what you can do, just grab a 230mm and just attach it to your phone, and now you literally have a professional camera from your phone. I'm like, how cool is that, you know? And look at here, I've attached it with a clip. So yeah, there is a clip right here, and then I attach this. And with a clip, you can actually have it wireless. That's just so cool. But there is one more thing which I wanted to show you. So you see all of those accessories, right? You see a clip, you see this thing, and the last thing is that they literally all connect. So look, I can grab the batteries, you know, 12,000 milliampere hours, 3,000 each, you know. I can grab the big boy, connect the big boy right here, and like, you can make it modular however you want. Obviously, now it's as heavy as DSLR camera, but like, come on, like, it's only your imagination how you actually want to use it. And I think that's great because that makes it tech, which is just available to anyone. And when you're back to your thin as possible. You like it?
Let me show you another measure. Use your telephone lens.
Whoa!
Here, put it on. It's okay.
Okay.
And put it on.
Let's just show higher.
Here.
Oh my God! You can build a pyramid with it.
And here.
Are you kidding me?
Sorry, please wait. Here. Here.
Wait, and it will all.
Here. That's enough? No. Here.
No way! OMG!
It's okay?
All of it!
In your hand. In your hand, okay? The future is in your hand as well.
Well, it's definitely in yours, you know? I'm afraid to take that. Well, guys, if you like it, it's straight from Tecno. If you like it, just like and subscribe so you can see more of those there.